This clutch pancake bearing thing arrived yesterday. Strange. It came with two different adjusting bolts, so I'm not sure which one I need to use. I'll take this stock one apart and put that thing on there and see if I can figure it out. Quite a difference. Now this is certainly closer to the length of the stock adjusting bolt, but I don't know if I need the long one with this new setup. Yeah, I don't get it. Must be missing something. I took the longer adjusting screw out and put the shorter one in. I did kind of a quick test assembly of this whole thing and adjusted it, and I ended up somewhere around there, so I think this thing will work. To adjust the clutch, I need to hold this while I turn this to get this point right here to line up with that little arrow right there. It's pretty close right now. I think I need to back it off a little bit. It's tricky with this pancake bearing one because this thing's freewheeling in here, whereas the stock one has this hex that gets captured on a hex inside there. So I adjust a little bit and check the arm. That's too much. Tiny bit more. That should do it. Now I need to hold this steady still while I put this jam nut on there. I have to figure out something else here, because I need to hold the part back here while I tighten that jam nut. Not able to get my wrench in there. I hated to do it, but the only thing I could get back there was this pair of needle nose vice grips. I have the stock 12mm hex nut on there. This other one's so big it's going to hit the vice grip tool. This is kind of tricky. I did put a little bit of Loctite on that thing. Let's see if I can get it. See, I don't want the vice grip to turn. Can I hold them both? Probably. Maybe. Yep. I'm lined up here. Pancake bearing install. Like I said, putting the vice grips on here isn't my favorite thing to do. I got some nice vice grip marks on there, but I don't know what else I could have done to get a tool back here and tighten that while I'm holding that. I need my 2 cents.